construct this trial, can you just state your name and who you're with?
Michael Williams with the World Meteorological Organization.
Excellent.
I'm Jonathan Lynn of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change.
My name's Sam and I'm from New Zealand.
My name is Monica Strömgren and I'm coming from Sweden.
My name is Priscilla Chapa from Nigeria.
My name is Niklas Eriksson and I'm from Sweden too.
My name is Ekaterina Uspianska and I come from Russia.
My name is Brandon Bass. I'm with Sustana, so I'm from New York.
So we're here and we've got this mask because every human being exhales about 2.5 pounds of carbon dioxide a day, which 7 billion people equals 14-ish billions pounds of carbon dioxide daily that's exhaled. So this mask would filter carbon dioxide from your breath, which is kind of cool because it would reduce your personal carbon footprint on the earth. So would you be willing to try this on and just tell me how comfortable it is? Awesome. This part goes behind your head and this part goes over your mouth and nose. Pretty comfortable?
Great.
It's great?
Oh, yeah.
Would you be willing to wear that for part of the day, maybe in your own home or on your way to work?
Yeah, probably for a few hours a day.
Fantastic.
I mean, possibly you could get used to sleeping with it on. I don't know.
Excellent. Would you, if we made some that were smaller for children, would you have your children wear it?
I wouldn't force it on them, but if they were prepared to wear it, I suppose I would.
Fantastic. And what if we made some for pets? Because pets also breathe. Would you have your dog wear it or a cat?
Yeah, again, if they were prepared to.
Would you be willing to wear it when you sleep?
When sleep, no. Actually, when I go, like, ride a bus, for example, or just get into work, why not? Yeah.
Again,
I support the creativity that's gone into the idea, and I wish you all the luck in the world.
Would you wear that to reduce your carbon footprint?
When I'm sleeping. But
When you're sleeping, would you buy one for your children?
Oh, sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
Would you wear a mask at night to reduce your carbon footprint?
Sure. Yeah.
Would you sleep in it?
Yes.
Would you be willing to wear any kind of mask to reduce your carbon footprint?
Yes, I could do that.